What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Does Things. Today we're in Las Vegas, specifically at the New York Hotel and Casino to see the Cirque du Soleil Mad Apple. Now, I picked these tickets up for 25 bucks. Really curious to see if they're good, if they're bad, if it was a good value for $25. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, first things first, check this out. This is right outside of the entrance to the show. This is like a manhole cover, and they've actually got steam coming out as if we were in New York City. Pretty amazing. We're gonna walk this way though, into the theater. Walking in, we've got some staircases to take us into the theater. We're gonna start over here though at the concession stand. Now for those who follow Cirque du Soleil and Las Vegas and Zumanity, you know that this theater actually used to be where Zumanity was. It was an adult-themed Cirque du Soleil, and they still have the old wall up, but right here you can kind of see, like, you've got like a classic button here, but this looks a little bit different because these are the old peep show booths where they had all kinds of different videos of adult nature that would flash through these. There's nothing flashing in these now, but it's interesting that they're still up. All right, so just a quick look at the drink menu and snack menu. Looks like they've got flask cocktails that are going to cost 22 bucks. All kinds of different options there. Otherwise, cocktails are going to be, it looks like 15 and 20 for a single or a double. Beers are going to be 9 or 10, domestic or import. They got wine, non-alcoholic. They got Jello shots, and then of course popcorn and candy for $9 and $6 each. All right, here we go. Here's a first look at the Mad Apple Theater. It's the old Zumanity Theater again. Nothing changed about it except for the set. We're going to be down here. If you can kind of tell, there's a little box area on the stage. That's where our seats are going to be. Let's go see how they are. All right, so we're in what they call the stage seating, and we are literally like on the stage. Now, what's really cool is they actually have bars up here on the stage that I could go up there and just order a drink if I wanted to. I don't think there's any food up there. There's also another bar down here, but I mean, for $25, this is my seat right here. I don't think this is going to be a bad seat at all. I'm going to kind of use this section over here as an example because they're the opposite side of where we are, but you've got like the main theater that's down here, and then the stage over here, and then they call them on-stage seats right there. I can see where like we're going to see like the backs of some of the acts, but I mean, being this close, I don't think it's going to matter. There is also a balcony up here, but I mean, for $25, unbelievable value. Also, for another really cool experience, they kind of have these like cabaret style bar stool seats. There's no like row in front of you. There is a table for your drinks, but a great view of the stage. All right, so I'm up here at the on-stage bar, and he was showing me that these actually come in a souvenir flask. It feels like glass. I mean, that's a pretty good value, I think, for 22 bucks, especially for Las Vegas standards. All right, actually going to climb the stairs here to take a look at what the seats look like from that balcony area that we saw. See if these seats are any good. All right, definitely getting a copyright strike here with Justin Timberlake in the background, but up here, not a bad seat. Ton of rows here. Don't know if you can tell, but they have that same cabaret style seating actually that we see right here. And there's some more cabaret seating over there, but I don't think there's a bad seat in this entire theater. This is pretty awesome. Just a quick look at some of the merchandise. We got the Cirque du Soleil Mad Apple shirt. Looks like it comes in 3 different colors. Maybe actually just 2. Looks like it comes in 2 different colors. That's going to be $35 for that one. Also, this one that just says Mad, 35 bucks. See how much this hoodie is. $60 for that Mad hoodie. It's got a hat. That's a pretty cool hat. Let's take a look. 35 bucks for the hat. Oh, it's got Cirque du Soleil on the side of it. I love it. Check out this hoodie too. MDAP, Mad Apple. Very cool. See if I can find a price on this one. I don't see it. I'm going to guess it's the same price as the other hoodie though. Yeah, it looks like all shirts are going to be 35 bucks. Got a water bottle over here. Got the logo there. Got the Statue of Liberty kind of doing a handstand on an apple. This one is going to be, it doesn't tell me here. $30. $30 for that water bottle. Another hat, a couple different shirt options. Looks like a Spirit jersey. If you're familiar with Disney World, looks like they've got Spirit jerseys here. The Spirit jerseys are going to be $75 for the Spirit jersey, but very cool. Over here, there is a bar set with the logo there on the shaker. I don't see a price on that. They do have these apple-shaped ice trays. These are going to be $8 bucks. Also, all kinds of different ornaments up here. a basketball logo. I wonder if that means we're gonna have some like trick shot. All right, so I went into this show completely blind. I've never done that before at Cirque du Soleil, and I've seen a lot of Cirque du Soleil shows. But just in the look at some of the artwork, it looks like we're gonna have some dancing, maybe some singing. We saw the basketball that's over in the gift shop, so it looks like maybe we'll have some like trick shot acts that are gonna happen. Really excited to see this. Let's get inside and take a look.
Great. No line back there. So this is a great time to get on up and get yourself a couple of drinks for the show, all right? Oh, speaking of which, hey, Mark, can I get a drink? Thanks.
Okay, so I've seen a lot of Cirque du Soleils. This is one of my all-time favorite shows. High energy the entire time. Unbelievable acts, acrobatics, dancing, singing, everything was unbelievable. If you have any doubt whether you should see the show or not, don't hesitate, especially for those $25 onstage seats. That was a steal of a deal. Unbelievable show. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, click that thumbs up, and until next time, we'll see ya.